Your ATS-friendly resume bundle includes 3 different ATS-friendly resumes, all editable, and comes pre-populated with a career heading, career objectives, accomplishments, experience, and so on. They also come with ATS keywords that are sure to attract an ATS system. Each ATS resume in the bundle is editable with different styles. You may go ahead and change the font size and color. The bundle includes letters, job inquiry letter, and other letters that will help with your job search. The blue text indicates areas that you would need to include your information, and after you do so, please change the text to black. But it's nice to have the blue text as a prompt. The letters are pre-populated with ATS attracting keywords and phrases that employers would like to see in a cover letter and other letters in the bundle. Thank you for watching and enjoy your bundle.